This is John Kleis Car's YouTube channel, and this is a 2016 Jeep Wrangler. It's been in for a new screen to be fitted in the front for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the usual malarkey that everyone wants nowadays, as well as a reverse camera because the vision outside the back of this isn't great with the massive spare wheel on the back. So I'm going to start at the back and show you what we've done. We've actually installed the Kenwood CMOS-740HD camera on the back, which is actually a 1080p rear camera, extremely good resolution. It could well be a 720p, so do correct me on that if I've got that wrong. But what we've done is actually mounted it inside the actual spare wheel holder. We've 3D printed a mount to bring the camera out past the wheel, so it gets an astonishingly good view behind the vehicle, which we'll show when we go in there. Now, cable run was a bit of a pig, but we actually managed to get it to go through all the factory tailgate. And then what we've done, because it's not actually like a conduit tubing in these vehicles, it's just braided sleeving. So that's the factory braided sleeving, and there's the aftermarket braided sleeving for the camera. So it looks all original. You wouldn't really know we've actually been in there. We've kept it in keeping with the vehicle. And then the same thing at the back, all the cables wrapped in braided sleeving as well. So even from behind, it's very neat. Some might say neater than the cable ties holding on the spade on the back of this, but hey ho. Now we've got to get in the car now and turn it on and actually have a look at it. Oh, God, this thing's quite high. It must be jacked up a little bit. If I'm going to reach over and get the key in the ignition barrel. Okay. It's had the whopping big Kenwood DMX9720 fitted. Put the Jeep logo on, so at least it looks more original when you turn it on. Cousin wanted the biggest screen possible. Actually saw a video on our channel of a Jeep Wrangler we did previously with a DNR992 and actually really liked the idea of it, so they've gone for that. All steering wheel controls work, as well as the factory Alpine audio system, so we haven't lost any functionality whatsoever on this. Now this DMX9720 offers a fair few features, but really it's a display unit for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in a big fashion, but we do have a DAB radio. If I push the magnifying glass, we can now go through all the DAB listings in alphabetical order. And then when you've chosen one, you can literally open up your favourites on the left and just store it. My colleague's already stored some, well, he's actually already stored 15 for the customer already. Well done, Lee. You always think ahead for the customer. Now, if I get my phone connected, I think that's the best thing. Let's show you actually what the Apple CarPlay looks like. All we do on this unit is you touch the little phone symbol, it'll make it visible, and then you go on your phone, go to Bluetooth, and then search for devices, and then it'll find it straight at the bottom like that, DMX9720, select it, and then just follow the on-screen instructions, making sure you hit yes to everything, pair, yes, allow, and then wait for your phone to say, do you want to go to CarPlay, which obviously we do. Hit yes on the screen, and that is it. You do not need to do it every time you turn it on. That is only for the initial connection. Now it's automatic every time you get in. And I will remember to move my favourites on the left over to the right. Once we do this, is on left-hand drive mode, but we'll move these shortcuts to the right. And now we've got Apple CarPlay. This is iOS 26, so it is a bit more of a later option of graphics. So we can go to settings, we can go customise icons, we can go clear, we can then go appearance, change it to always dark if you want. We can go to wallpaper, make it purple. This is actually the setup I have in my own car actually. You can tailor it to exactly how you want. Now the customer's now got access to Apple Maps, Waze, TomTom, Google Maps, music apps like Tidal, Spotify, Deezer, Apple Music, and if you go into there there's no DAB, you can even use internet radio apps like Rayo, Radio Player, Virgin Radio, and the like. Extremely good, easy to use. You've got split screen mode, which is good on a 10-inch screen because you actually have navigation and music playing on the right, and you can still see it clear as day because it's a whopping 10.2-inch screen. I like this unit because actually it's got a rotary volume dial, and who doesn't love a good knob? It works extremely well, really easy to use, turning the volume up and down. Now camera, will I be able to do, actually I'll tell you what, I can put the camera on when we're not in reverse actually, because the installer Lee has wired up to ignition as well as reverse. Now, see, I don't know if the 4K is actually showing just how good this is, but like, it's like looking through your own camera behind you. The lens of the CMOS-740HD is incredible. You can see stones on the floor, it's that good. And I think you can agree that where that camera is mounted, you've got a great view behind you because you've got a perspective view looking down, so you can easily judge a distance. Because if I go from behind, that is the view you get. You can barely even see that Mark III Golf VR6 behind me, but I can see it all in the image like that. And when you put it in reverse, it will automatically come up as well, and you can put guidelines on the screen which you can adjust through the Kenwood settings as well should you wish to. And yeah, that is the Kenwood DMX9720 fitted. It's not ugly behind, it's got a fully finished panel. I got this unit in my wife's car, I absolutely love it. Cracking unit, soon to be replaced by I think a slightly different model with a single din chassis behind. This is actually a double din chassis, which does limit what vehicles you get into. But yeah, cracking unit. I think I've had 2 of these now. I love them. Anyway, this is a Jeep Wrangler 2016. That's a DMX9720. This is a Connor. See you soon.